lower back feels like it's made of dry wood that's about to snap. You spent hours hunched over a laptop or lifting heavy boxes, and now you're looking for a shortcut to relief. This brings us to the latest buzz in the wellness world regarding the Restore Therapy Support Belt. It's a wearable device that promises to wrap your aching spine in a warm hug while vibrating your troubles away. Most of us are desperate for anything that lets us skip the expensive clinic visit or the physical therapy session. The appeal here is all about convenience. You can strap this thing on while you're folding laundry or finishing a report at your desk. It's designed to be portable and discreet enough that you don't feel like you're wearing a bulky piece of medical equipment. The core of the experience relies on a combination of support and active therapy. You get that physical bracing that keeps your posture in check, which is half the battle for most people. Then the heat kicks in. We all know how good a heating pad feels after a long day. This belt takes that sensation and makes it mobile. On top of the warmth, you have vibration settings that act like a gentle massage for your lumbar region. It sounds like a dream for anyone dealing with everyday stiffness or that dull ache that sets in by mid-afternoon. However, we need to slow down and look at the reality behind the marketing. This isn't a magic wand that'll erase years of injury or fix a serious underlying medical issue. It's a wellness tool. That distinction matters because people often buy these gadgets hoping for a medical miracle. You should view it as a comfort device rather than a permanent solution for chronic conditions. Think of it like a high-tech version of a warm bath or a massage chair. It provides temporary relief and makes the day more bearable. When you're looking at spending your hard-earned money, you have to weigh the actual value. How long does the battery last? If it dies after 30 minutes, it's just a heavy piece of fabric. You need to look at the warranty and what other people are saying about the build quality. Some of these devices look great in photos but feel flimsy when they actually arrive at your door. The good news is that this specific belt appears to be a legitimate product in the wellness space. It's not just some fly-by-night scam designed to take your money and disappear. It fits into that category of things that make your life 5% better on a Tuesday when your back is acting up. Just don't expect it to replace a doctor or a professional therapist. You're paying for the ability to take your recovery on the go. If you go in with those realistic expectations, you won't be disappointed when it doesn't instantly transform you into a professional athlete. It's about managing the daily grind and giving your muscles a chance to relax while you're still being productive. The adjustable settings are a nice touch because everyone has a different tolerance for heat and pressure. You can dial it in to find that sweet spot where the tension starts to melt away. Just remember to check the specs on the battery performance before you commit. A portable device is only as good as its power source. If you're someone who spends all day on your feet or stuck in a chair, this might be the little boost you need to get through the shift without feeling like you're falling apart. It's a tool for the modern lifestyle where we don't always have time for a full hour of rest. Just keep your feet on the ground regarding what it can actually do for your long-term health. It is a support system for your comfort and nothing more. Think about the way your body reacts to stress. That tension usually gathers right in the base of the spine and then radiates outward. By the time you get home, you're exhausted and irritable. This belt is designed to break that cycle before it gets out of control. It's about finding those small pockets of relief throughout the day so you don't end up completely locked up by bedtime. You're looking at a piece of gear that combines mechanical support with soothing sensations. The vibrations are not meant to be a deep tissue massage. Instead, they provide a gentle rhythmic pulsing that helps distract the nerves and relax the surface muscles. When you pair that with the heat, you're creating an environment where your back can finally stop working so hard. It's about giving your body a signal that it's okay to let go of that gripped feeling. The portability is really the star of the show. You don't have to be tethered to a wall outlet or lying face down on a table. You can be active or you can be lounging. That flexibility is what makes these types of devices so popular right now. Just be sure to read the fine print on the return policy. Wellness products can be very subjective. What feels like a miracle to one person might feel like a minor buzzing to another. Take the time to compare it with other similar wraps on the market. Look for those details about the materials used and how the straps actually feel against your skin. You want something that provides a snug fit without digging in or causing irritation. If you find a model that checks all those boxes, it could be a solid addition to your self care routine. It's all about making your daily life a bit more comfortable and giving yourself a little extra support when the world feels heavy.